Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Leslie. You may know me from TikTok. Otherwise, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and check out my TikTok too. I am a second-year family medicine resident doctor, and I love health education, talking about what it's like to be a doctor. So subscribe below if those things sound interesting to you. Now, today I'm going to be talking about something a bit more kind of shocking, honestly. So if you guys use social media, or you're on TikTok or Twitter or whatever, you may have seen a viral video going around. This viral video is depicting somebody who's a healthcare worker and then a patient. And the patient is in the hospital bending over trying to breathe, and the healthcare worker is dancing around, and the title is, "We Know When Y'all Fakin'." Cry face, cry face. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. Okay. 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 So, about that, what on earth? This is like the most harmful freaking video. Working in the medical field and working with patients to help them get well is completely based on trust. I wouldn't be able to do the job I do today if I didn't trust my patients, listen to what they say, and take them seriously. If somebody were to come into my office thinking that they might have asthma, I would say, okay, let's take a listen to your lungs. Let's do pulmonary function testing and see what's wrong. Even if we do all the workup and the tests don't show asthma, it's still my job to help work with the patient to try to figure out what's going wrong so that we can help them feel better. Right? So I just have huge issues with this video, even joking about it. In our field, we often hear stories about how somebody's coming to see us now because they felt like their doctor didn't listen. They didn't care. They didn't believe them. And hearing and watching a video that just continues this message that medical providers can just completely dismiss the symptoms and concerns you're having, it's just so problematic. Also, I think this really hits home for people of color and women, right? There are so many studies out there saying that these groups and communities are disproportionately treated poorly by doctors, that they're not listened to, especially when compared to their white male peers. So, for example, there's a study out right now that African American patients who go into the ER, some type of pain, get half the number of pain meds than white people do who have the same problems, right? So in that situation, the doctor isn't believing the patient. They're not believing their pain is real or that it needs to be treated seriously. And that's really a big deal. It also happens with women. A survey came out that said 62% of women think that their doctor doesn't listen or believe their concerns. So I just wanted to come on here and talk a little bit about this. Have you ever had any situations where you felt like your doctor or your healthcare provider wasn't listening to you? Write them in the comments below. I want to know about it. And I guess I just want to summarize and say that there are physicians, medical providers, nurses, and other healthcare workers who do give a crap, right? We do care. We do want to listen. We do believe you. I'm just can't really believe that this video is out here continuing and furthering these real situations that happen with people who aren't listened to and aren't heard. And I really, really hope that people know there are healthcare workers who do believe you. Anyway, hopefully I'll be coming out with more health education material soon, as well as more kind of thoughts and comments about what it is like being a resident physician. So hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you at my next video. Bye!